Efendim was a young boy. He lived in a small village. He was kind and hard-working, but he had one problem. He could not speak English. Every day, Efendim saw people speaking English. They spoke in school, they spoke on TV, they spoke on the internet. Efendim felt sad. He wanted to understand. He wanted to speak too. One day, Efendim said, "I want to learn English. I will try." The next day, he went to his teacher. His teacher's name was Mr. Khan. Efendim said, "Sir, I want to learn English, but I don't know how." Mr. Khan smiled and said, "Efendim, learning English is not hard. You need time, practice, and patience." Efendim asked, "What should I do first?" Mr. Khan said, "Start small. Learn simple words every day." Efendim felt happy. He went home and wrote 10 English words. He wrote book, pen, table, chair, and water. He read them again and again. The next day, he learned more words. He learned eat, drink, run, walk, and sleep. He spoke them loudly. After 1 week, Efendim knew many words. He felt proud, but he could not make sentences. He went back to Mr. Wakar and said, "Sir, I know words, but I cannot speak sentences." Mr. Wakar said, "Good, now make simple sentences." Efendim asked, "How?" Mr. Wakar said, "Use easy sentences like I eat food, I drink water, and I read a book." Efendim smiled. He understood. At home, he practiced every day. He said, "I am Efendim. I live in a village. I go to school." He spoke slowly. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes he forgot words. But he did not stop. Efendim also started watching English videos. At first, he did not understand, but he listened carefully. He heard the same words again and again. After some days, he understood a little. He also started reading small English books. The stories were simple. He read 1 page every day. Sometimes it was difficult, but he used a dictionary. He learned new words. One day, Efendim tried to speak with his friend Ahmed. He said, "Hello, Ahmed, how are you?" Ahmed said, "I am fine." Efendim felt very happy. It was his first English conversation. From that day, Efendim spoke English every day. He spoke with friends, he spoke with himself. He spoke in front of a mirror. He said, "Hello, my name is Efendim. I am learning English." At first, it felt strange, but slowly he became confident. Efendim also listened to English songs. He did not understand all words, but he enjoyed them. He repeated the lines. Every day he practiced 4 things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. He gave 1 hour every day. After 1 month, Efendim saw a big change. He could understand simple English. One day, Mr. Wakar asked, "Who can speak in English?" Efendim raised his hand. He felt nervous, but he stood up. He said, "My name is Efendim. I am a student. I live in a village. I like to learn English." The class clapped. Mr. Wakar smiled. Efendim felt very proud, but he did not stop. He wanted to improve more. He started writing a diary. Every night, he wrote simple sentences. I wake up early. I go to school. I study English. At first, his writing was not perfect, but he kept writing. After 2 months, Efendim improved a lot. He could speak better. He could understand more. He could read stories easily. One day, Efendim went to the city. He met a man who spoke English. Efendim felt afraid, but he tried. He said, "Hello, sir, can you help me?" The man said, "Yes, of course." They talked for a few minutes. Efendim spoke slowly, but he spoke clearly. After the talk, Efendim felt very happy. He said, "I can speak English." Efendim learned something important. Practice is the key. He also learned that mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn. Efendim never laughed at his mistakes. He learned from them. He followed simple rules. Learn new words every day. Practice speaking daily. Listen again and again. Read simple books. Write small sentences. Efendim stayed patient. He knew learning takes time. After 6 months, Efendim became good at English. He could speak with confidence. He could understand movies. He could read books. One day, Efendim helped another boy. The boy said, "I want to learn English, but I cannot." Efendim smiled and said, "You can learn. Start small. Practice every day." He told him, "Learn words, make sentences, speak daily, listen and read." The boy felt happy. Efendim understood something important. Learning English is not magic. It is a journey. You must go step by step. Efendim's life changed. He got better opportunities. He felt confident. He could talk to more people. He was not afraid anymore. One day, Efendim stood in front of many people. He gave a speech in English. He said, "If you want to learn English, do not be afraid. Start today. Practice every day. You will succeed." People clapped loudly. He remembered his first day. He remembered when he knew nothing. Now he knew so much. And it all started with one step. This is not just a video. It is a way to learn English and improve your skills. So please watch it calmly and try to improve your English.